Hey there, the question today is what is a boutique contract manufacturing organization, or BCMO, and why is it important for today's supply chain? Well, if you look at supply chains over the last 20 years, you'll see a market change in the composition of them. An AVL used to be made up of a, let's call it a large OEM in med tech or even other industries, but it used to be made up of small shops, larger shops, small contract manufacturers, large contract manufacturers. There was a good continuum across the supply chain. Over the last 20 years or so, M&A activity has kind of scooped up some of the shops, some of the larger shops, and the smaller contract manufacturers, and rolled them into plays that are more on the mega or large contract manufacturing side, which exhibit wonderful capabilities, tremendous ability to scale. They can go offshore, lots of capability there. However, it kind of created a wasteland in the middle of the supply chain where it used to exist this group of companies that were very capable and ability to scale with a project as it grew. But when the project was small and low volume, it was still interesting to them. That's what a boutique contract manufacturer is. So we just coined a new term for something that used to exist 20 years ago more, is that it exhibits aspects of both sides of the ends of the spectrum. Let's call it the mega side, the ability to have a structure and scale with a project as it goes along, as well as the smaller side where flexibility, adaptability, and interest in low volume rules the day. So marrying those two is a really important piece of the supply chain. There is a time that is appropriate for each of these different aspects. The smaller job shop, the middle-sized BCMO, and then the larger-sized mega CMO all play a role in a supply chain. And it just is that the BCMO is filling a gap that has been created through the M&A activity over the last couple of decades.